We were on a family trip to Corbett. One late night, we were returning to our resort in the jungle area by car. My mother has the strange habit of asking cab drivers about their paranormal experiences, and so she did. By God, this one was really scary. He started narrating, and the five of us huddled close. Once he was returning to his village at midnight after finishing a late night shift. The road was surrounded by dense and foggy jungles. There were only a few cars on the road. He saw two women on the side of the road waving for a lift. He hesitated at first, but noticed that they belonged to this village. He agreed to give them a ride. They plopped on his back seat and he drove fast through the pitch darkness of the night. After a few minutes of non-stop travel, he checked the rear-view mirror of his car. Surprisingly, the woman could not be seen anywhere, and his back seat was visibly empty. He turned around and horrifyingly found both the women sitting there and casually chit-chatting. He was sure he was surrounded by some unwanted spirits or ghosts, which was common in their village and district. He did not show any signs of horror and did not stop the car. They would attack if he took action immediately. He secretly checked the mirror several times, but it did not show their reflection. But on turning, he would see both of them seated in their position and talking. He was completely horrified, and his heart sank. There was no dhaba or settlement around, just pitch darkness and tree shadow. He started chanting the Hanuman Chalisa and prayers. Suddenly, thick white smoke filled the car and blurred the vision. He forcibly continues chanting the mantras with all the strength despite some energy stopping him. The smoke increased and spread everywhere and prayed to Hanumanji's Murti. After a few minutes, he recovered from the shock and saw both the women had disappeared and could not be seen anywhere. He was so scared that he opened the car lock, jumped out of the door, and quickly ran through the fields. I could see the horrified look on his face and can never forget it. His story gives me chills till date. And guess what? We are on the same road at the same time and the same vehicle.